Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to install NVIDIA RTX Voice even if you don't have a supported graphics card. Now the results may vary with this process, so if it doesn't work for you, maybe it's because someone also has that problem, and I'll leave a link to the thread I'm using to basically how to install this in the description below, so you guys can go off of that as well if you so please to do so. Anyways, let's get started. So of course you got to open up Google Chrome, and this link will be in the description too. It's basically the setup guide for NVIDIA RTX Voice, and it tells you the requirements, the supported apps, the setup guide, the app configuration, etc, etc. So I do recommend looking at all of these below if you want to basically make it supported by Discord, OBS, Streamlabs, and stuff like that. So obviously you have to go up to the setup guide. That's the main thing you want to do. You want to download the app right here, install it, right? And if you do have a supported RTX graphics card, then it'll install perfectly fine, right? So if you guys are just looking for that, then here it is. This is basically the end of the tutorial for the people that have a supported RTX graphics card. Now if you don't, you want to keep on watching. So basically after you download it, it'll be right here, and I've already installed it and everything, but all you have to do is open it, right? And it should give you an error message saying that it wasn't able to install because your graphics card isn't supported. Now let that run its course, and I'll just close it once it shows that error message. After showing the error message, all you have to do is go to your local disk C, right? Or wherever you have this temp folder, and you open it, and it should show this one folder called NVIDIA RTX Voice. Now you open it, and you want to find the NVAFX. That's the main thing you want to find. You want to open that, and then this file right here, the rtxvoice.nvi, is what you want to open. So all you have to do is edit it with any notepad or anything that you use to edit stuff with. You want to open it. Now it'll show all of this, right? And what you want to find is this. So I have this right here. This is the thread I said I'd link in the description below. And you want to find what's called constraints, property name, this long thing, constraints. And it should be right here in between dependencies and extensions. I already have it deleted since my graphics card doesn't support it. And I can tell you it works fine. I have it open right here so you guys can see it. It does work, and it's also running, right? So this does work for my graphics card, but like it says here, it seems to be working on all 10 and 16 series cards, but 900 series results are mixed. Also seems to be working on 700 series cards for some users. So like I said, the results may vary. But other than that, once you have this deleted, you want to click save. You want to make sure you save this, right? You just want to close this, and you don't want to use the one that you have right here, which is the installer. You want to go back to this folder that you have right here. You want to go back to RTX Voice, and you want to use this setup right here, and you just want to open it, let it run its course, and then it should install perfectly fine. Now once it finishes installing, it'll open right after you close the installer, and you'll find this. Now this is RTX Voice, and basically you can choose the mic and audio output device you have. You can remove background noise from this one or not. You can turn it on or off, put how much noise suppression as you want. And of course I'll show basically how it sounds with my microphone on my desktop right here in a second. RTX testing number 1. RTX testing number 2. This time I'm snapping my fingers. Notice how it didn't really pick it up. Anyways guys, if you did enjoy this video, it would mean a lot to me if you could like and subscribe for more tech content like this in the future. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.